alaikum blush fam, welcome back to my channel. Let's make white sauce pasta today. Add 4 to 5 cups of water, 1 tablespoon of oil and 1 tablespoon salt. Now add the sausages and boil them well. You can also add chicken. Keep the flame high. After 5 minutes take it out after it's completely cooked. Now add 2 cups of penne pasta. And yeah, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, take a moment and do it now. Boil the pastas at least for 10 to 15 minutes on a high flame. Stir continuously so that it doesn't stick on the vessel. After 10 minutes you need to check out whether if it's fully cooked like this. Switch off the flame and rinse out the water now and wash them thoroughly with a normal water, tap water, so that it doesn't stick to each other. Cut the sausages into pieces. Half capsicum fine chopped. Take a non-stick pan, keep the flame high and add 2 tablespoons of oil. Add 3/4 cup of maida. Stir well and make sure it slightly changes its color. Don't leave it as it is or else it will stick on the vessel. Now you can see the color has slightly changed. Add 1 fine chopped garlic. Now add the capsicum. Now add the sausages. Mix them well. Add 2 cheese cubes or slices. Add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes and 1 tablespoon of oregano. It's totally optional, it's just for the taste. If you have, you can add it. But adding them gives a great taste. Now add milk gradually. Keep stirring it so that it doesn't form lumps and you will get a smooth thick paste. Keep your sauce a bit watery so that it will automatically get thicker. Your sauce is almost ready. Just add a bit of water. Then you can add your boiled pastas to it. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes now. And you're done. Leave it in this consistency because it gets thicker as I said. At that moment you need to add some more milk while heating it and your white sauce pasta is ready. Hope you like this recipe. Try this out and let me know in the comment section or on my Instagram. Tag me over there. Like, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.